Hi friends, I'm Pooja. Today I'm come up with very important topic that is UiPath Orchestrator. In today's session, I'm going to discuss with you what is UiPath, what is UiPath Robot, what is Orchestrator, and also what can we do with this Orchestrator. There are three basic concepts in UiPath: UiPath Studio, UiPath Robot, and UiPath Orchestrator. In today's topic, I have covered some topics. What is UiPath? What is RPA? What are the three components of UiPath? What is UiPath Studio? What is UiPath Robot? What is UiPath Orchestrator? And finally, what can we do with this orchestrator? Let us discuss one by one. What is UiPath? UiPath is most popular RPA tool which is used to automate some repetitive tasks of various applications like web application, Windows application and Citrix. It has drag and drop functionality of activities, so it is very familiar and it is very easy tool. It provides community edition for learning purpose which is free for lifetime. So who are all planning to start their career in RPA, I hope it is the best platform because it provides community edition for learning purpose. What is RPA? RPA stands for Robotic Process Automation, where robotic process automation is the technology which is used to automate some repetitive tasks performed by humans. It uses the computer to run applications in the exact same way that a person works with that application. Like we can also say it works like human would. It also reduces the involvement of humans is said to be robotic process automation. What human will works in the same way in the similar manner here the robot will work. What are the three main components of UiPath? UiPath Studio, UiPath Robot, and UiPath Orchestrator. Now let us discuss one by one. What is UiPath Studio? UiPath Studio is a tool which enables you to design automation process in a visual machine through diagrams using drag and drop functionality. And also, each diagram represents a certain time of work to perform. As you can see here, this is how the UiPath Studio looks like. This is the UiPath Studio. Here you can see so many things like manage package, recording, screen scraping, data scraping and all. In the activities panel, you can see number of activities. Here you can take an activity using drag and drop functionality. You can use these activities. As I said earlier, it works in a drag and drop functionality. This is how that UiPath Studio looks like, and in this studio you can build your process or you can design your process. Coming to UiPath Robot, once you are done with the designing of process in the studio and you need to execute the process, robot executes the process built in studio and scheduled in the orchestrator. Once you have built your process or once you design your process, then you need to execute through robot. This is how the UiPath robot looks like. Here you can see I already add some of the process. You need not to go to the UiPath studio to run the process. Directly you can select the process here and you can directly run through UiPath robot. And coming to UiPath Orchestrator, UiPath Orchestrator is a very important organ of UiPath. And UiPath Orchestrator is a web application that enables you to deploy, schedule, monitor, and manage the robots and the process. Orchestrator is a product of UiPath which is used to orchestrate the UiPath robots, and also it is a centralized platform for all the robots to manage. This is how the UiPath orchestrator dashboards looks like. Here you can find automations, robots, environment, kiosks, assets, and storage buckets. Here it is showing the count of number of process which I already been done so far. And also here you can notice the number of assets which I already did so far. And same here for queues also. Here you find tenant, and in coming to automations, here you can find process, jobs, triggers. Here you can find some of the process that I already been done so far. This is how the orchestrator dashboard looks like. And what can we do with this orchestrator? UiPath Orchestrator is a centralized robot management dashboard where you can easily deploy, secure, and manage your UiPath robots. Here you can manage the environments, and you can monitor the robot performance, and also you can create and manage robots. You can manage environments, like an environment is like a group of robots configured in Orchestrator. And process can be allocated to individual robots, but it's more effective to allocate them to the environments. And you can create and manage robots also. The robots in UiPath is like a execution agent that enables you to run workflows built in Studio. And you also monitor the robot performance. And also you can see here, uh, you can manage the assets, like in assets you can see multiple types of assets like integer, text, credentials, like that. You can also manage package is somewhat like you already build some process in the UiPath Studio and you published, and you run the process through Orchestrator, and you want to make some changes in the studio again. So after that, the version has been changed. So in that case, you can use these things. You can also manage and stop the process. You can also manage logs, and you can also schedule jobs. Jobs is like a process that has been sent for execution to some or all the robots in the environment. This is how the UiPath orchestrator looks, and this is how that we can do with the UiPath orchestrator. In coming videos, I will take each part as individual, like assets, and about jobs and about environments. How can we configure the UiPath Studio with Orchestrator? These things. So stay tuned for my next upcoming videos. If you like this video, please do share and subscribe. Thank you.